Hi, my name's Leanne and I'm from the Modern Wellness Expert, and this guided deep relaxation has been created to calm the nervous system, enhance focus and stimulate the mind, helping you feel more mentally clear and receptive and improving your quality deep sleep, which is when memories and learnings are laid down. So, let's start by making sure you're in a quiet place, you won't be disturbed, are warm and cozy. Perhaps use a pillow or a blanket to make yourself more comfortable, and use headphones and an eye mask if you wish to enhance your experience further. So, lying down, let your arms rest by your sides with your palms facing up, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale out through the mouth, allowing your entire body to relax with each breath. We'll begin by setting a simple intention for this session. Think of a phrase like, I have a clear and focused mind, or I remember what I need to with ease. And repeat this intention silently to yourself now, letting it settle in your mind as a guiding purpose for this practice. So now, bring your awareness to your breath and notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe naturally. Allow each breath to soften and relax you even further. And with each inhale, imagine breathing in clarity and calm. And with each exhale, release any tension or mental clutter. And let this gentle rhythm bring you into a deeper, more relaxed state of rest. We'll move through a gentle body scan, allowing every part of you to soften and relax so that energy can flow freely, supporting mental clarity and memory. Start by bringing your attention to your feet and toes, each one of your 10 toes, letting them relax, and allow this feeling to travel up through your ankles, your calves, your knees and thighs, leaving your entire lower body calm and soft and heavy. Now, focus on your hips and lower back. Release any tension here, feeling this area becoming grounded and supported. Next, move your attention to your abdomen and chest and allow this area to soften as you breathe in and out, imagining each inhale bringing in fresh, revitalizing energy. Shift your focus to your shoulders, letting them sink down and release any weight they carry. And feel this relaxation extend down your upper arms, your elbows, your lower arms and hands, all the way to your 10 fingers. Finally, focus on your neck, your jaw and face. Release any tightness here, allowing your forehead to smooth, your cheeks and jaw to soften completely. Release any tension in that jaw. Your whole body is now calm, relaxed, and open to receiving. Now, we're going to visualize a calm, clear lake. Imagine standing at the edge of this lake, looking down into the water. The surface is still, reflecting everything around it with perfect clarity. And see that this lake is a symbol of your mind, calm, clear, and ready to hold what's important to you. As you look into the lake, imagine that anything you wish to remember can easily be placed here, held in the calm, clear water of your mind. And know that, just like the reflection in the lake, your mind has the ability to retain and retrieve memories with ease. So now, let's connect to that breath again, using it to bring more clarity to the mind. Inhale deeply and imagine that each breath brings in energy to your mind, and each exhale removes any fogginess or mental clutter. And let's do this for a few breaths. Inhale, breathing in clarity and focus. Exhale, releasing any distractions or tension. Inhale, breathing in clarity and focus. Exhale, releasing any distractions or tension. And with each breath, feel your mind becoming clearer, like the surface of the lake, free of ripples or disturbances. Notice how this feeling of clarity supports a sense of calm, confidence in your memory. Now imagine a special place, a space where you feel comfortable and focused, where you can absorb and remember new information with ease. This place could be a cozy library, a peaceful room, or even a sunlit garden. Imagine sitting in this place, feeling ready to learn and retain anything you wish. You feel relaxed, yet alert. Visualize yourself here, calmly absorbing and remembering what you need with ease. See this as a place you can return to in your mind whenever you wish to focus, recall information or study, and feel a sense of gratitude for this mental space that supports your memory and learning. So now we'll count down from 10 to 1, with each number helping to deepen your focus and enhance your memory. Breathing in and out. 10. Your mind feels clear and focused. Breathing in and out. 9, you're relaxed and receptive. Breathing in and out. 8, your mind is calm and ready to retain information. Breathing in and out. 7, each breath brings clarity to your mind. Breathing in and out. 6, you feel calm and open. Breathing in and out. 5, your memory is strong and reliable. Breathing in and out. 4, you feel motivated and focused. Breathing in and out. 3, your mind is open to learning. Breathing in and out. 2, your memory is refreshed and energized. Breathing in and out. 1, you feel clear, focused and prepared. So bring your intention back to mind. Repeat it to yourself silently, affirming this clarity and confidence that you now feel. I have a clear and focused mind, or I remember what I need to with ease, and trust that this intention will continue to support you in your daily life. So, when you're ready, start to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground or support beneath you, and wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing life back to them. Take a few deeper breaths in and out, feeling refreshed and alert. In your own time, open your eyes, bringing this feeling of calm, focus and clarity with you as you re-enter your day. Take a moment to thank yourself for this time you've given yourself, knowing that this renewed focus and memory will support you as you move forward. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Modern Wellness Expert channel, like, share and comment below so others can perhaps see this video and use it for their benefit too. Thank you and have a wonderful day.